Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your gift card on Swagbucks. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in swagbucks.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Swagbucks website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password or your Google accounts to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, if you wish to verify your gift card, scroll all the way down and click on All Gift Cards. Now, you can purchase various different gift cards from this page if you wish, and you can verify your redemption by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner and then clicking on Redeem Swag Code. You will then be asked to enter the swag code. Go ahead and enter your redemption code for your gift card and then click on the Redeem Swag Code button, and your gift card will immediately be verified and your reward will be added and redeemed into your Swagbucks account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your gift card on Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate your Swagbucks account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in swagbucks.com and press enter. You will now be taken into